If 2 months na po nagsakit yung tuhod niyo po, tapos sometimes meron, sometimes wala, it can be very well caused by tendons or muscles or even imbalance tightness ng knee po. Really good to get an opinion with any specialist para po malaman natin before tayo uminom ng gamot. Kasi again, you may be wasting your money sa mga iba't ibang gamot po. Last few minutes, we'll go to the questions dito sa live natin. Si Ma'am Elle Mendoza watching from Negros. Ang sabi ni Ma'am Elle is meron siyang metastasis, ano? Sabi dito. Parang wala yung question ni Ma'am Elle. She has metastasis and bone pain. Di makalakaw, may naipit daw na ugat sa spine bone. Possible pa ako makalakaw balik, Doc. Okay, so if you have a spine metastasis, ibig sabihin yung cancer has spread to the bone. Posible na yung cancer is naiipit niya po yung nerves po na the nerves kasi give your body strength. Yun po yung dahilan bakit hindi kayo makalakad. Frequently, kailangan nyo ng spine specialist po na mag-opera ng spine para mawala yung ipit po. And opinion if you are from Negros, sa mga spine specialist nyo dyan. If umabot sa point na hindi na kayo makalakad, I really advise na pumunta kayo agad. Don't waste time po if you still want to walk again. We also have a question from Mr.